Good morning, Standard 10. So, today we will complete the chapter 2, Factors Promoting the Growth of Nationalism. And in this chapter, you have to remember predecessors of the Indian National Congress. Okay, we are going to study in this particular video who laid the foundation of Indian National Congress. We will be studying the predecessors of the Indian National Congress. We will be studying how many members attended the first meeting of Indian National Congress, when the first meeting took place. Okay, and then how many members attended the first meeting and what were the immediate objectives of the Indian National Congress. So we'll begin first with the predecessors of the Indian National Congress. Predecessors of the, see, you must have studied in your mathematics, successors and the predecessors. Okay, with this only you understand, predecessor means -1, successor means +1. So here it is not +1 -1. Here it is before the foundation of Indian National Congress. Which were the parties which were there? Not national parties. Parties, the small parties which were there, very active. So we had so many parties. So in this particular video, as per your syllabus, we'll do only 2 parties. Okay, but it does not mean that I taught only 2 parties, so it is only 2 parties. No, there were so many parties. So here, as per your syllabus, we will be studying which was the predecessor of Indian National Congress. It is East India Association, founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in London 1866. First predecessor, or again I am repeating, it is according to your syllabus. We have so many predecessors. If you refer the other book, you will find different predecessors, but as per your syllabus, you have to refer these 2 predecessors. Okay, so here Dadabhai Naoroji founded East India Association in London in 1866. This was the first predecessor of Indian National Congress. Second predecessor we have Indian Association in 1876, set up by Surendranath Banerjee. That means Surendranath Banerjee set up the Indian Association in 1876. This is the another predecessor. So get it clear here. Predecessors of Indian National Congress, you have East India Association founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in London 1866. Surendranath Banerjee, Indian Association in 1876. These are the predecessors of Indian National Congress. Then Dadabhai Naoroji was also known as the Grand Old Man of India. So you may get the question that who was known as the Grand Old Man of India? You will write Dadabhai Naoroji. Okay, this is nothing related to predecessor. Predecessor, you only remember Indian Association set up by Surendranath Banerjee and East Indian Association set up by Dadabhai Naoroji. This 2 you have done. Now the next topic, foundation of Indian National Congress. Okay, foundation. We have several questions, but if question is only foundation of Indian National Congress, listen carefully. These things you have to remember. Indian National Congress was founded by Allen Octavian Hume, retired ICS officer, British officer. Okay. So here, who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Allen Octavian Hume, or A.O. Hume, retired British ICS officer. Full thing you have to mention. Okay. Then when it was founded, 28 December 1885. When Indian National Congress was founded, 28 December 1885. Where the first session took place? Bombay. First session took place in Bombay. How many members attended the first session? 72 delegates. How many members attended? You will be writing 72 delegates. Okay, and when it was founded, 28 December 1885. And who was the first president? Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? You will write W.C. Banerjee. W.C. Banerjee. Okay, that's all you can mention. The next you have immediate objectives. What were the immediate? Immediate objectives can be asked in another way also. Objectives of W.C. Banerjee. Why W.C. Banerjee? He was the first president of Indian National Congress. So immediate objective, promote friendly relation between political workers from different parts of the country. To develop and consolidate the feelings of national unity. To formulate popular demand and place them before the government. To train and organize the public opinion of the country. And in this, please learn this immediate objective. Almost every year this question is there. What were the immediate objective? What were the objectives prepared by W.C. Banerjee? Very important question. Next you have when the second session took place, 1886, where Kolkata, and who was the president? Dadabhai Naoroji. So as I taught to you, predecessors you will mention East Indian Association founded by Dadabhai Naoroji, Indian Association 1876 founded by Surendranath Banerjee, who led the foundation of Indian National Congress, Allen Octavian Hume, retired British ICS officer. Bombay, the first session took place 28 December 1885. It was founded. W.C. Banerjee was the first president. 72 members or 72 delegates attended. Immediate objectives you have to learn. Second session took place in 1886 Kolkata, and Dadabhai Naoroji was the second president of Indian National Congress. Thank you.